So friend, launch date for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge plus storage and the color details are leaked, and more evidence has surfaced that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge will launch on April 15. Info acquired by New Mobile also reveals the storage and color options that will be available at launch, plus two different cases. Note that the April 15 date may be the start of the pre-order period rather than the date of availability. Either way, with a week or two of pre-orders, the S25 Edge will be out by the end of April. The phone will be available in two storage capacities, 256GB and 512GB, just like the S25 Plus. The RAM will be 12GB and you will also get a choice of three colors, and those are silver, black and blue. And in addition to the phone, Samsung will launch a number of accessories like a silicone case and a kind suitcase, the latter being a fox leather design. Similar cases are already available for the other S25 models, and there are no pricing details yet, but previous rumors have claimed that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be slightly more than the S25 Plus, €1,200 to €1,300 for the 256GB variant and €1,300 to €1,400 for the 512GB one. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.